Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So we meet again. So now I want to discuss about sp3d2 hybrid orbital. Okay, so how the sp3d2 hybrid orbital is formed? So mixing s orbital with 3p orbital and 2d orbital. So it will form 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbital. Okay, so therefore, there are 6 electron pair and all the 6 electron pair are arranged according to the tetrahedral shape with a bond angle of 90 degrees for SCl6 molecule. So as usual, first of all, we have to draw the Lewis structure. Okay, this is the Lewis structure. Don't forget to count the total number of valence electron. Now we want to identify the molecular shape. So according to the Lewis structure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron pair. So the class of compound is AB6, okay, and the shape here is octahedral. The bond angle, okay, is 90 degree. So you can write like this for the expansion. The molecular shape of SCl6 is octahedral with the bond angle of 90 degree. Now for the type of hybridization, when we refer back to the molecular shape, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sigma bonds. So there are 6 electron pair at the center atom. Okay, therefore the type of hybridization is sp3d2. All the 6 electron pairs are arranged according to the octahedral shape. Now we move to the orbital diagram. So at the ground state, sulfur has 6 valence electrons. Okay, so at the ground state, sulfur has 2 paired electrons and 2 single electrons, meaning that at the ground state, sulfur will form 1 sigma bond and 2 sigma bond. As referring back to the molecular shape, so SCl6 molecule form 6 sigma bond. So therefore, it needs another 4 single electrons. So that's why 1 electron from 3s is promoted to 3d. Okay. And the other one from 2p, 3p is promoted to 3d. Okay, noted here, even though the 3d orbital is empty without any electron, but we have to draw it. Right? Why? Since at n equals to 3, the sharp shell is 3s, 3p, and 3d. And then we want to show that the electron is promoted from 3p to 3d. Alright, so therefore, you can write like this. Okay, at the ground state, S can only form 2 sigma bonds. So therefore, the 2 electrons are promoted from 3s to 3d and from 3p to 3d orbital. Okay, and it will form excited state. So at the excited state, so all the electrons are single. So there are 6 single electrons. Okay, however, excited state is unstable. So therefore, 3s orbital must mix with 3p orbital and 2 3d orbital, and it will form 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbital. At the hybrid state, there are 6 single electrons. And we can see here that there are 3 empty 3d orbitals. So we have to copy it back to the hybrid orbital like this. Okay, label 3d empty orbital. So here is the sample of explanation. You can write. For the orbital diagram for the terminal, for this chlorine. So chlorine, we have 7 valence electrons. Okay, we can see clearly here, the sigma bond is formed an overlapping of 3p orbital of Cl to overlap with sp3d2 hybrid orbital of S. So here is the example of the explanation. Okay, now we want to draw the sp3d hybrid orbital in tetrahedral shape. Okay, each sp3d hybrid orbital, so it with overlap with repeat orbital of chlorine. So you have to draw dumbbell shape. Okay, so at the overlapping area, don't forget to draw the electron. Okay, we have done.